In this video, I will show you how to send Google Docs in email and download. Open up your Google Docs. I will open up this Google Doc here. Come over to the upper right and push on this button, Share. Go down to where it says, Restricted. And push on this little down arrow. Then select, Anyone with the link. Press Copy Link. Go open the email provider you are using. I will open Gmail. Push on this pencil icon that says, Compose. And paste the link you just copied from Google Docs into this little window area here. Put in a title. I will title it, Google Doc. In Recipients, go get the email you want to send this to. I will open up my second Gmail. And send it to this Gmail. Copy Gmail account. Paste in Recipients. Press Send. Message has been sent. I will check the other Gmail to see if the email has arrived. It hasn't arrived yet, just give it a few seconds. Open it up. We have the Google Doc raw link here, and we have an attachment. I will open this Google Doc in incognito mode to show that anyone has access to it. And there's our Google Doc file, guys. If you want to download it, go to File in the upper left corner, then hover over Download, select Microsoft Doc. Go to your download folder and retrieve the Google Doc. And that's how you do it, guys. How to send Google Docs in email and download.